What is actual physical control? My name is Brian L. Jackson. I'm a Tulsa criminal attorney with the Worth Law Office, and we're going to talk about the crime of actual physical control. Now, what that is in a nutshell, if you are in physical control of a motor vehicle and you are intoxicated, either because you're drunk and you're over a certain BAC, or because you've taken other intoxicating substances, like, for example, marijuana, then that is actually a crime. Now, the idea of this is to prove DUI, the state has to prove you were actually driving. So what happens, let's say that you've been out at the bar for a while, you've had some drinks, you get in your car and you go and recline the seat back and fall asleep, and the cops find you like that. Can they charge you? Yes, they can. Because you are in actual physical control of that vehicle. If you have the keys, you could have driven it. So that's what that crime is really meant to address. A couple of things to know about that. It does not, they don't have to, as I said, they don't have to prove you were driving. They do have to prove that you were able to drive it. That would be like you had the keys or something. Although if the keys are in the vehicle with you, you're probably in trouble. Even if you were like in the back seat, or I've heard some people say, well, I'll throw the keys in the back seat. That you could still potentially get arrested. Now, you may be able to beat it at trial, you may not, but you're probably getting arrested under those circumstances. And a couple of, and it doesn't have to be alcohol. Weed would do it. If you're stoned and you look stoned, or the car smells like pot, and the cops test you, if you have any detectable amount of weed in your body, you could be charged with APC. Over prescription drugs, if you're taking like painkillers or sedatives like Valium or anything like that, you could be DUI. Or APC if you're in the car, even if you weren't driving. So if you that's kind of how that works. And if you have questions about that, or you're facing an APC charge, you need good counsel. And one place you can find good counsel is at makelawEasy.com. Thanks.